All right, let's just get right into it. Today, we're declaring war. Seriously, this is a rally cry for every single creator out there who pours their heart and soul into their work, only to feel like you're shouting into a void. We're talking about banishing AI slop for good. I mean, does it feel like you're being drowned out? Are you just so tired of scrolling through feeds of content that feels, I don't know, empty, soulless? You spend hours, maybe even weeks making something real and poof, it gets buried under a mountain of junk generated by bots. You are not imagining it. And let me be clear, it is not your fault.
Okay, so the first step in any battle is knowing your enemy. You have to understand what you're up against. So let's put a name to it and define it. AI Slop. So what even is AI Slop? Well, it's that tidal wave of just low-effort, low-value stuff that's being mass-produced by artificial intelligence. You know what I'm talking about. Those weird articles that don't quite make sense, the images that are just a little bit off, or those videos with the monotone robot voice. See, this content isn't designed to inform you or entertain you, it's just there. It's made to fill space and game the algorithms. And a lot of the time it's dull, sometimes it's glitchy, and sometimes it's just completely, totally wrong. Remember that deep fake of a rabbit jumping on a trampoline? I mean, it went viral, got millions of views. But why? It's like this quote says, it wasn't because it was deep or meaningful. Nope. It went viral just because it was a spectacle, because it looked real enough to fool you for a second. And that's the whole problem right there. Novelty without any substance. Now, you might think this is just, a minor annoyance. But it is so much more than that. This is a direct threat to every authentic creator out there. Your work, your audience, your voice, it's all at stake. Let's dig into why.
This flood of slop creates two huge problems. First, your quality work, the stuff you actually put effort into, it just gets lost in all that noise. It's like trying to sell a gourmet burger in the middle of a landfill. And second, and this might be even worse, our audiences, they get desensitized. They get so used to seeing this empty, clickbaity fluff that they actually have a harder time spotting and appreciating real, quality content when it comes along.
So this really sets up a clear battlefield, doesn't it? On one side, you've got you, the authentic creator. You're bringing personal stories, real emotions, unique substance that comes from your actual life. And on the other side, you've got the AI slop bot, just cranking out mass-produced, repetitive, empty fluff that has absolutely zero human spark.
The problem really comes down to this: volume. The sheer amount of AI slop being pumped out every single day it's astronomical. It just dwarfs the reach of genuine creators. And not because it's better, it's not, but just because there's so much of it. They're playing a quantity game, but that is a game we are not going to play.
Because here's the good news. We are not fighting on their terms. We're going to change the rules of the game. You, see, have a secret weapon. It's an incredible advantage that no algorithm, no bot can ever replicate. It's your authenticity advantage, and it's the perfect antidote to slop.
Let this really sink in for a second. Your greatest weapon, the one thing AI cannot fake, is you. Being human. Your quirks, your weird sense of humor, your unique perspective, your real-life stories, your genuine passion. That right there is your most powerful weapon. So how do we actually do this? How do we take that humanity and turn it into a real strategy? We use a playbook. And this isn't just some theory. This is a practical, actionable guide for how you can start winning right now in 2025 and beyond.
All right, here it is, your 5-step playbook. Number 1, substance over speed. Forget the content factory mindset. Focus on one deep, well-researched idea. 2, human hooks. Ditch the generic, hey guys, what's up, intros. Start with a real story, maybe even an imperfection. Be real. 3, show your reality. Use your actual face, your actual location, real B-roll, not that perfect, soulless stock footage. 4, back it up. Add real research and proof to build trust. And number 5, ask provoking questions. Don't just talk at your audience. Start a real conversation.
Now, I know what you might be thinking.
This all sounds great, but
Does it actually work?
oh yeah, it works. Let's look at the proof. The actual results from creators who are already doing this.
So check this out. What happens when creators make this exact shift? One study found that young creators who deliberately dropped AI-only scripts for more of their own voice saw their engagement triple, 3 times the engagement. That's not just a little bump, that's a whole different ballgame. It proves that audiences are starving for this.
And it doesn't stop there. Creators leaning into this are seeing huge jumps in total watch time. Their comment sections, they're going from spam and one-word replies to real, actual conversations. A lot of them are finding they can have way more success with half the uploads, which just proves that quality absolutely crushes quantity. And the end result of all this? A genuine, loyal audience connection. The kind of thing a bot could never, ever build.
So you're fired up, right? You're ready to banish the slop and start making content that really connects. You've got the playbook, but what if I told you we could give you the tools to put it into action, like right now? We've actually put together something called the Clean Content Toolkit just for you. It is packed with script templates, hook formulas, everything built around these principles. To get it completely free, just comment "no slop" down below, and I'll send it right over. It's that easy.
So I'll leave you with this one last thought. In a world that's just getting more and more full of artificial intelligence, the most rebellious, the most valuable, and honestly the most successful thing you can be is human. So the question isn't just what will you create anymore. It's what will you create that is undeniably, powerfully, and authentically human. Now go make something that matters.